Hello friends, welcome to our financial and economic news highlight for competitive and academic exams. RBI wants digital currency included under definition of banknote. Ministry of Finance informed the Lok Sabha on Monday that it has received a proposal from Reserve Bank of India in October for amendment of RBI Act 1934 to enhance the scope of definition of banknote to include the currency in digital form. RBI hikes repo rate to pre-COVID level to tackle inflation may remain watchful to maintain stability of Indian rupees. Monetary Policy Committee of RBI unanimously raised repo rate by 50 basic points to pre-pandemic level of 5.40% and is highest since August 2019, citing inflation concerns. Central Bank also withdrew its accommodative stance and also raised the projection for inflation for current year to 6.7%, earlier being 5.7%, while at the same time retaining the projected growth at 7.2%. From consultancy to construction project, Delhi Metro on global journey to revamp its revenue. After running metro trains in national capital for last 2 decades, Delhi Metro has embarked on global journey, aggressively scouting for consultancy construction project abroad, including in the port city of Alexandria in the Egypt. Last month, India's first and biggest metro rail company submitted bidding document to procure consultancy jobs for a metro rail project in Alexandria. Recently, it bid to build an entire metro line in Mauritius. Three more metro networks, Tel Aviv in Israel, Manama in Bahrain, and Ho Chi Minh City are also being explored. Thank you.